Guess what? So I have a lot of hair, right? And it can be daunting to put it up in a ponytail, but I have figured out a way that I can get a really nice ponytail, and I'm going to show you how today. The only thing that you're going to need is a brush and then two ties. You're going to take your two ties, you're going to put one under the other, stick this end in, and you're going to pull up, and you're going to make an extension. Now, I already have one made that I use all the time, so I'm just taking my trusty. What you can do, now I don't all the time, but you can brush your hair up. I tend not to use a brush too much because I don't like the way it pulls on my hair. So I may pull my hair up like this, just to count our hair, black people's hair, y'all. It can go in any shape. It can be maneuvered in all kinds of ways and directions. So just by me pulling my hair up will make it go in the ponytail easier. I don't put anything on my edges but water, maybe some oil, but I can brush them up like so, like so, like so, like that. After you finish brushing your hair up, because you want slick edges, you know, I'm gonna take the band, pull it to the back, pull it around the tape of my hairline, put one piece through like this, and I'm gonna pull the other piece back like that, and then I'm gonna push it up from the back, and then the only thing I'm gonna do is pull on this tie until it gives me my desired ponytail. And then I'm gonna take the loose end and I'm just gonna wrap it around, brush up those edges some more. So here we are, my ponytail. Look at that. Now if you want to be slicker you can, but I'm cool with it. So look at the back and the front.